What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. A lot of you guys yesterday were coming at my throat for the price of cryptocurrency dropping just a hair. Like a lot of you guys kind of, I would think, overreacted to the way the markets actually started to correct. You can see Solana saw the dip. A lot of this we were expecting to. It was by no means a surprise. XRP was starting its correction to the downside here. We even have Ethereum inside a descending fractal, which we're going to be covering. We also have Bitcoin, which has continued to correct to the downside here. But again, it's no surprise. We adjusted the charts from yesterday's episode to include the bottom support level, which you can see here. And we discussed that we were in an ascending broadening wedge. And as prices were continuing up like this, we more so anticipated and expect movements like this to occur. So there's no surprise there. Yes, markets did drop. Obviously, we want to make markets rally up, and we're still expecting that. We didn't expect this drop here, but you can see we've already recovered within just a couple of hours, and we're back inside of it here. So it's by no means a surprise. And we even made a video yesterday mainly talking about the fact that XRP is at the top, and more than likely reversal is going to happen, and that is exactly what happened here. So it's not a surprise, like in any way. Yes, did I talk about the fact that there is some sort of symmetrical triangle forming like this? Did I mention that there's a price ceiling and an uptrend here? Of course. However, what you guys need to consider is these don't always break bullish here, and we knew that we were more than likely going to correct, and that's why I said wait on it, because more than likely by the end of the week we are going to see this price dip. We've seen it consistently on the top here, and this is a perfect opportunity to short, and that is exactly what's happening here. So I'm excited to go over everything with what's going on in today's episode here. We are going to be looking at Solana, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the stock market, the S&P dipping lower. Again, not a bad thing though, because you can see we kind of reversed our roles. No longer did we continue our descending fractal here. We actually reversed out, and now we're starting to climb up, and I think we're going to continue to climb out of this, believe it or not here. Anywho, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, I spoke with BYDFI for those that were wondering here, and BYDFI is offering a double reward bonus here. It is the same as last month. I thought they changed it. The only thing they changed was the logo here, apparently, or the way the promo is going. But if you guys decide to sign up with the link down in the description below, you can get a $50 reward, a 31-day VIP rate, and you can get a that bonus of $50, like I said, and you can get a bonus of over $2,000. Later on in today's video, I'll show you how to do that. But with that being said, diving into the technical analysis, just looking at the coin market cap, you can see we are dropping. That's a given. 58 on the fear and greed index. We're down 3.7, 2.5. Lots of these cryptos are starting to skew lower. They're starting their descent. You can see Bitcoin's dropping, Ethereum's dropping, BNB, Solana, everything is falling, but it's not a surprise at any means. And you guys were commenting in yesterday's video, oh, you were wrong, correction. No, if you watch yesterday's video, we talked about the correction actually taking place here, and I'll pull it up for you guys if you don't believe me here. I'll pull it up right now. And also, while I have you on your attention here, I made a new channel. It's called Hayden Schreier V2. Just type it in like that. You can see I've been posting these funny videos in regards to kind of the craziness that's going on with the current market, the car payment crisis, the cost of living insanity, like just these funny videos here. So make sure to check it out. Literally just type in Hayden Schreier V2 and it will pop up. But anywho, diving back in, you can see yesterday's video. We'll pull this up here after this commercial loads, but pretty much we were talking that XRP is due to correct like this. It was by no means a surprise. And if we pull up that video from yesterday here, we can reference the fact that this is the correction. We had this beautiful symmetrical or ascending fractal or ascending triangle within XRP, and we were more than likely, look at that, expecting the drop to take place on XRP's chart. I made this video 23 hours ago. You can see we have the weekly charts pulled up, and more than likely correction and descent to the downside is inevitable here. Dip to the downside is what we're expecting to see take place. And you can see bouncing off major resistance, we just came off a 4-week rally, and more than likely a dip is to come, and that's what we're already starting to experience here within XRP on its weekly chart. You can see XRP is inside a descending fractal where we've been creating these lower highs and these lower lows, and we've been consistently dipping lower and lower. So you can see here, every time we kind of bottom off, we rally up. Every time we hit support, we rally up. It's no surprise here that we rallied up. Vice versa, we hit the top resistance, we drop. Top resistance, drop. Top resistance, drop. Top resistance, drop. That's what we're anticipating. So it's not a surprise that as of today, we're starting this reversal. We said yesterday that just because the 4-hour and the hour and the daily charts closed above this resistance, or we're starting to, is not a good buying opportunity, because as you can see, we've closed above here and we've traded above here consistently here, that there's not enough potential or room for us to continue this. It's not enough confirmation to cause a bullish rally to the upside. Ascending triangles typically break bearish. We had the resistances all piled up right here, downtrend, price ceiling, and the ascending triangle right here. And you can see as we fill in this gap, resistance break, and here we are dumping. So not a surprise by any means, and that's what you guys have to understand. Ascending fractal, confirmed closure right here. Yesterday was that buying opportunity just last night. Might even had a better one on the 4-hour. No, we didn't really. I mean, it was clear as day here. We had this nice little bull trap, which we talked about, and then we started to sail down. I said, don't fall for that bull trap. Good chance we're going to continue to correct. And you can see as of the daily yesterday, and into today, yesterday confirmed that closure outside the ascending triangle, and here we are starting the descent downwards. So don't be surprised, don't act surprised, and don't say I was wrong, because this is a clear ascending triangle, clear confirmation closure above or below the uptrend here, and now we're starting to short. I mean, it's simple, it's obvious, and it's easy, and we do so using BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BYDFI lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, everything and anything you want to see on an exchange is offered on BYDFI. The best part, like I said, stop losses, take profits right here, stop limit orders, market orders, so on and so forth. The best part is they offer this welcome reward bonus and a demo trading account. So you sign up with the link down below. You get the free $50 bonus and the VIP rate for 31 days. Then you head on over and you complete these tasks, and you can get up to $2,000, over $2,000 in free bonus money. Take that money, save that in your account, head on over to the demo trading account, trade around with the $50,000 they give you in Monopoly money, get familiar with the BYDFI exchange, start making trades, practice your trades. If you can make profitable trades, you head on over to the live trading account, and using your bonus money that they give you, you can trade, and anything you profit off that bonus money, you get to keep and take out and deposit in your Coinbase. That's how I started on BYDFI, and it was so good I had to share it. So make sure to check that out, like I said, down in the description below. But anywho, moving forward from that and moving forward from XRP, I want to look at Solana here. Another obvious correction. When we saw XRP close below here, pretty much all these cryptos are dipping now, including the stock market here. We know that Solana is on this major uptrend here. Now, I was wrong. I'll give you that, depending on what you were talking about. But we have an uptrend that we've been following, and I was wrong with how we reacted to this. I thought we'd hold support right here, but it's clear. I mean, I could be wrong with this, but that doesn't mean that you can't profit off of it. We knew that when we closed below the uptrend here, the price floor in green, we knew that was an opportunity to buy in and short. I mean, it's simple. So with that happening, once we closed below here, we bought in and shorted. You can take advantage of that. But anywho, more than likely, it's going to cause reversal, as we're always going to keep going back up to this uptrend here. It's without a doubt, no doubt in my mind, we're heading up to 200, so there's a good chance we might take a detour like this. It is Friday, so consolidation makes sense. We might not see any this weekend, but it's lowering ourselves to 50 on the RSI, and you can see the last time we were here, we were freaking trading at, what is this, 65? Now we're at 44, and we're at the same price level. So more room now for the next run will bring us up to $200. So I'm excited that Solana is doing so well as well. Lastly, we'll look at Ethereum here, holding on for dear life on its price floor. Hopefully we continue that, and then hopefully we rally up. And then moving forward from Ethereum here, we have Bitcoin holding on for dear life as well, reacting with this moving average here. We did break below this uptrend here, but we are still in an ascending broadening wedge. These typically do break down, but we are holding on very well right now, and we could probably even find a new indicator here if we grab the downtrend and then we grab this uptrend. This is so tiny, it's not even worth tracking, but there is something forming like that, and we'll see how this reacts here. But ideally, being that we're undervalued, we are looking for reversal like that. So keep that in mind as well, as there's a good chance that that's what's going to happen. And I also believe that the stock market is going to start to reverse out of this too. So we'll see if that actually continues, but I'm excited. Everything looks really good overall within the markets here. Everything is going according to plan. There's no surprises. But with that being said, make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notification, check out my second channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.